Hello friends, this is your host Sunil Kakani with you on Nifty and Bank Nifty magic levels for 13th January 2021. And again, a very eventful day, and Nifty for the third consecutive day has moved in a green zone. And it was like a single sided move. Nifty didn't give a single dip during the day. Few sectors which performed very well today was telecom, energy, realty, public sector, oil and gas are the sectors which did perform well, and few sectors which saw profit booking was healthcare, consumer durables, and capital goods. Well, Nifty formed a bullish candle again today. India VIX continued to inch higher, and today India VIX has closed at a level of 22.84. Now, this is quite alarming. If you see the option data suggests that there is a highest put open interest at 14,000 level followed by 13,000 level, and maximum call option open interest is at around 15,000 level followed by 14,000 strike price level. As per the option data, the range for the market which comes out is at around 14,300 to 14,800. Well, these were the key highlights of the day, but as I mentioned, that VIX is at an alarming stage, and India VIX is continuously rising. So volatility is going to stay and may increase further. Well, FI are pumping money. There is a lot of liquidity, and hence market is just rallying and enjoying. Let us quickly see the key performance, what we have suggested yesterday and what targets were achieved today. So yesterday we suggested a buy trade to be initiated if Nifty trades above 14,490 for a target of 14,590, and see, Nifty made a high of 14,589, which was bang on target. Similarly, in case of Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty trades above 32,050, we initiate a buy trade for a target of 32,430, and year 2 our targets were almost achieved, and Nifty made a high of 32,393. In case of Hero MotoCorp, we have suggested a buy call on Sunday at a level of 3155, and today see Hero MotoCorp made a high of 3295, a target of 140 points which was achieved in just a matter of 2 days. So this is the level of research that we gave. Now what's there for tomorrow? Now if you see the daily chart of the Nifty, as I mentioned, a strong bullish candle has been formed, and we are at a level, and you see this particular chart, you see that continuously for 3 days we have been closing in green, and green bars are there. At this level we have to trade little cautiously. Well, the bullish trend continues, but we have to trade with lot of cautious at this particular level. Now Nifty levels, magic levels for tomorrow. If you see, the closing for Nifty is at around 14,563, which was 78 points above its previous close. So where do we initiate a buy trade? We initiate a buy trade at, if Nifty trades above 14,575, the target in that case would be 14,650 and 14,700. Yes, these are the targets for the Nifty. Similarly, if Nifty trades below 14,550, then we initiate a sell trade for a target of 14,480 and 14,420. Now these are the levels for Nifty. Now in case of Bank Nifty, today Bank Nifty also made a green bar, and it had tried to catch up the momentum which we saw was lacking for past few days. Now Bank Nifty has closed 340 points above its previous close, and the closing is at around 32,339. So we are almost there at the higher side of the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty high was at around 32,400, which we are almost there to touch. So for tomorrow, if Bank Nifty trades above 32,390, we initiate a buy trade for a target of 32,700 and the second target of 32,950. Similarly, if Bank Nifty trades below 32,290, we initiate a sell trade for a target of 31,980 and 31,730. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. Now, as I always mention, trading is nothing but buying near support and selling near resistances. And if you follow this trick, you are never going to lose in the market. So stay calm, stay patient, and wait for your levels to come. And when you trade on that level, you are definitely going to win. Now for tomorrow, as everybody keeps waiting, now for tomorrow, the magic pick that we have selected is none other than Reliance. Well, the closing for Reliance is at around 1957. Today, if you see, many shorts have been trapped in Reliance, and there was also a news that Reliance Jio might come up uh, with its IPO somewhere in 2021, which again gave some more strength to the script, and script started moving higher side. The 50 EMA of Reliance is at around 1989, and today Reliance has broken out its narrow range, 4 days narrow range, and many shorts, as I mentioned, has been trapped in this particular script. We see a target of 2000 and 2025 in couple of days or maybe a week's time. These targets are achievable, so you may consider investing in Reliance. With this, I end my today's video. Thank you very much for liking this video and sharing this video to as many people as possible. Thank you for showering your blessing on me. I received a lot of feedback, lot of messages for the Hero MotoCorp call, for the Lupin call that we have given. We have suggested Lupin a buy at 977 and it moved up to 1080. So thank you very much for this blessings and for your all thankful messages. Let us quickly go through the disclaimer. The standard disclaimer is this video is only for the educational purpose. Views are only purely based on technical analysis. Any investment and trading decision is to be taken after consulting your financial advisor. Now with this, I end my today's video. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. Please share this video to as many people as possible so we keep increasing our family. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are always updated with any notification which I post on this channel. Thank you very much. Stay blessed, stay invested, and happy trading.